I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord, but you don't really care for music, do you?
Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah.
Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
Well, your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty in the moonlight overthrew you.
She tied you to a kitchen chair, she broke your throne and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. But baby, I've been here before, I've seen this room, I walked this floor, you know I used to live alone before I knew you. I've seen your flag on a marble arch, and love is not a victory march, it's a cold and it's a broken heart.